Yes. Good evening, everyone. Myself Motilal Yadav, and today I will teach you perimeter and area of rectangle and square. Okay. So all are aware with rectangle and square. Okay. So now here this is the diagram. This is the diagram of rectangle. Right. In rectangle, opposite side will be equal and parallel. So this is the length, and next breadth, and next will be the breadth. Suppose here the length is denoted by L and breadth is denoted by B. Suppose here you will make the formula. How you will find out the perimeter of a rectangle? Okay. So first you will write here perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into ब्रैकेट में L plus B. That is the formula. You can put up the value and find out the answer of a perimeter. Okay. So suppose here length length is given length is given length is given length is given. Suppose length is what? 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Now length is given centimeter and breadth is given 2 centimeter. Okay. So how will find out the perimeter of a rectangle? So right here answer will be perimeter perimeter of rectangle is equal to क्या मिलेगा 2 into L plus B. So length is given what 5. So right here 5 and plus 2. Right. Units is given centimeter. Okay. Here 2 into 5 और 2 प्लस करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 7. राइट. सो 7 7 2 जा क्या होता है क्या होगा 14. सो राइट हियर 14 और यूनिट विल बी सेंटीमीटर. इफ is given in meter and breadth is given meter, then unit will be the meter. Okay. After that find out area of the rectangle. area of the rectangle area of rectangle का फार्मूला क्या होता है L into B to breadth. Suppose this is a rectangle right. Length is given 12 meter and breadth is given 4 meter, right. So you can write here if you want, if you will find out the area means the region bounded by these 4 line segment. यहाँ पे 4 लाइन सेगमेंट है, 4 साइड है, 4 से घिरा हुआ है. इसके अंदर की जो एरिया होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं रीजन बोल सकते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं एरिया. सो हियर यू विल राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. If length is given what? Length is given 12 meter and breadth is given 4 meter. Then you can find out the area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is equal to क्या मिलेगा length into breadth. Okay. After that you will put up the value. Here is given 12 meter and 4 meter. If we'll multiply, so what will get? 12 4 जा क्या मिलेगा? 48. So write here 48 and you'll write here meter and meter दो हैं. So if you multiply, you can write 48 meter square, or you can write 48 square meter. So by this process, you can find out the area of the rectangle. It is clear? Next, next one is the square. क्या होता है? Square. So what do you know about the square? In square will be four side and all side will be the equal. Okay. Okay. So this side will be equal to this side will equal to this and this. Okay. Means four side will be the equal. It is clear? So you can find out here first perimeter of square. क्या हो जाएगा आपका फार्मूला? 4 into 1 side, right? 4 into 1 side. Yeah, you can eat 4 side 4, so you will take too much time. Due to this, you will apply the formula, put up the value of one side, multiply and get an answer easily. Suppose this is the formula, perimeter of square is equal to 4 into 1 side, right? Suppose this is the square and here is length is 6 meter, right? Means this four side will be the 4 meter, 6 meter, 6 meter, 6 meter and 6. So if you add 6 4 times, so you will take too much time. Due to this, you will apply the formula. Okay, and you can save your time. So that you will put up here the value 4 into 6. 4 into 6 is equal to क्या मिलेगा? 4 6 जा 24, right? Right here 24. What is the unit? Meter. So you will write meter. One thing, anything is given here per मीटर एंड पर स्क्वायर मीटर. अगर पर मीटर स्क्वायर दिया है इसका मतलब कि पर मीटर दिया है इसका मतलब क्या है? इट इज गिवन इन perimeter. And if you find out meter square means that is the area. That is the area. Area may be rectangle, area may be of square. It is clear? So 24 meter, that is the perimeter. Perimeter, यहाँ suppose कीजिए you want to रन हियर, दैट इज द फील्ड. स्क्वायर टाइप की फील्ड है. अगर आप दौड़ना चाहते हैं तो कितनी आप डिस्टेंस कवर करते हैं, इसके लिए हम क्या निकालते हैं? पेरीमीटर. क्या निकालते हैं? पेरीमीटर. आफ्टर दैट हियर सपोज कीजिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन. दिस इज द डायग्राम एंड दैट इज द स्क्वायर and perimeter is given. What is given? Perimeter is given. Perimeter is given 48 meter. Means perimeter is given. So what will the side? You don't know. So how will find out the side of the square? So what will the formula? Perimeter is given. So one side of a square. So we'll write here the formula. What? One side of a square is equal to क्या मिलेगा? मीटर अपॉन perimeter upon 4, right? What is the perimeter? That is given 48, right? 48 upon 4. You can divide 48 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Answer will be 12. And what is written here? Yum. So you write here the unit yum. So by this process, you can find out the one side of a square if perimeter is given. It is clear? After that, you will find out area of square. So what will the formula of area of square? Area of square. Yes, area of square is equal to side into side या side का square. So again here that is the square. In square all side will be equal. So if you found out the area आप निकाल रहे हैं. So here this part, that is the bounded region. चारों तरफ से घिरा हुआ है, अंदर का जो पार्ट है वही रीजन होता है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एरिया. इट इज क्लियर? सपोज दिस इज द स्क्वायर and side is given 6 centimeter. What is given? 6 centimeter. So how will find out the area of a square? So first we'll write the formula. Okay, so here you'll write area of square. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इक्वल टू क्या होता है? साइड स्क्वायर, और यू कैन राइट साइड इंटू साइड. इट इज क्लियर? साइड इंटू साइड. आफ्टर दैट यू विल पुट अप द वैल्यू can be written here 6 centimeter, 6 meter or anything. So you will put up the value, right? Here what is given? 6. Okay, so right here 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. You will multiply 6 6 ja 36, right? So right here 36 centimeter square, right? And here 36 square centimeter. It is clear? So if you know side is given, so you can find out the area. If area is given, so I will find out the side of a square. So you will apply formula also, right? Again, I will draw here the diagram. That is the square. Oh yeah, yellow. Okay, right. So that is the yellow. So you'll find out the area, that is given the area. Suppose this square and area is given 36. What is given? 36. Area is given 36. Area is given 36 centimeter square. So what will the length of this square? Yeah, length of one side of a square. So here you will use the formula. Area is given, so one side of a square इक्वल टू क्या होगा फॉर्मूला? अंडर एरिया. क्या होता है? अंडर रूट एरिया. अंडर रूट एरिया. इट इज क्लियर? शो राइट व्हाट इज द एरिया? 6 centimeter. So we'll write here 36. After that you'll find out, you'll do here factorization. Of factorization, if you know, you will do by this process right here. First you will divide by the smallest digit. किससे डिवाइड करते हैं? छोटे डिजिट से हम डिवाइड करते हैं. So right here 2. So 2 1 जा 2, 2 8 जा 16, 2 9 जा 18, 3 3 जा 9, and 3 1 जा 3. So you will make the pair of 2. Here is the under root. So you will make the pair of 2. So here you will write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. You will write here 2 का square into 3 का square. Square will root symbol will be the remove and 2 into 3 क्या मिलेगा 2 3 या 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter will be the one side of a square. All side will be the square. It is clear. Now I will give you some question and you will solve it. Okay. Yes. Fill up the color. Okay. Here. Okay. This is the diagram. Okay. Now this is the rectangle. क्या है ये rectangle? So this is the rectangle and here length is given L is equal to 1.2 meter and width is given 1 meter. Okay. So how will find out the perimeter of this diagram? Okay. So here question 1, how will find out the perimeter? So come, चलिए come and solve it. Do it fast. One meter. Two point. Oh, thank you. 4.4 meter. Okay. This. Suppose here again sorry everybody. Again this is the rectangle. Okay. Here in this diagram, question number 2, in this diagram length is given 15 centimeter. Okay. And you don't know the breadth. You don't know the breadth. But perimeter is given perimeter is given, perimeter is given 36 centimeter. So how will find out the breadth? How will find out the breadth? Okay. So here question number 2 answer. What is given? Length is given. Length is given 15 centimeter. You don't know the breadth, and perimeter is given 36 centimeter. So how will find out the breadth? How will find out the breadth? So you will use here the formula. What is the formula? You know, you can make the formula also. You can make the formula also. How will make the formula if you don't know? अगर आप भूल जाते हैं, how will? Look here. First look here. Look here. How will make the formula? P is equal to क्या होता है? 2 into L plus B. So इक्वल टू 2 का मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए L में, क्या मिलेगा आपको? 2L plus 2B. देन P माइनस 2L इक्वल टू क्या मिलेगा? 2B. B इक्वल टू क्या मिलेगा आपको? P minus 2L upon 2. Okay. So this is the formula. Means if you'll find out the B, so B is equal to P minus 2L upon 2. And if you'll find out what? Length. तो लेंथ का फार्मूला क्या बन जाएगा? लेंथ इज इक्वल टू P minus 2B upon 2. Right? So by this process, you can make the formula and find out the answer. Okay. So here, what you will find out here? Breadth. So here the formula B. B is equal to क्या दिया है आपको? B. B is equal to P. P minus 2L upon 2. Right? What is the perimeter? Perimeter is given 36. So right here 36 minus 2 into L. 2 और L के बीच में कोई सिंबल नहीं दिया, इसका मतलब क्या होगा? 2 into L. Length is 15. What is the 15? Right here 36 minus 15 टू जा 30, माइनस कर लीजिए, क्या मिलेगा आपको? 6. क्या मिलेगा? 6. क्या मिलेगा आपको? 6. एंड हियर 2 2 एंड डिवाइड बाई perimeter is given 36 plus 2 into L. L मीन्स कितना दिया हुआ है आपका? 15 अपान 2. क्या राइट करेंगे? 2 36 माइनस 15 का क्या मिलेगा आपको? 30 अपान 2. सो यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट, यू विल फाइंड आउट व्हाट? देखिए 36 में से निकलेगा, क्या मिलेगा? 6. 6 अपान 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6 मीन्स क्या आ जाएगा? 3 सेंटीमीटर. Breadth will be 3 centimeter. So by this process you can find out the breadth if length and perimeter is given of a rectangle. It is clear? Now one question on the this formula. Okay. So okay, same question. Suppose length is given, length is given 10 meter, but you don't know the breadth, and perimeter is given, perimeter is given 28 meter. So how will find out the breadth? Okay. So that is the question number 3. Avantika, come and solve this question. Solve this. Okay, do. Okay, write to, draw the line, draw the line, and to 4. Right. Write the unit m, meter. Okay. Thank you, beta. So by this process, you can find out the breadth if perimeter is given and length is given of a rectangle. Okay. Now I will change the question. Okay. Okay. So now here breadth is given, breadth is given 8 centimeter, and you don't know the length. You will find out the length, and perimeter is given. Perimeter is given what? 26. Perimeter is given 56. 56 centimeter. So how will find out the length? Okay, that is the question number 4. Okay, so come and solve. Okay, do it. no, the 56 minus 16. Again it is 56 minus 16. 20 centimeter. Okay, right. Thank you. So by this formula, you can also find out the answer. Okay. Now, right, rectangle. So just you will find out here if length and width is given of a rectangle. So how you can find out the perimeter? You can find out length if perimeter and length is width is given. You can find out width if perimeter and length is given. Now we will find out the area and how will find out the length if breadth is given. Okay, so all are aware of the formula of area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So suppose this is the rectangle. Rectangle area area is given. Area is given here. Area is given 50 meter square. Area is given 50 meter square and length is given. Length is given 10 meter. Length is given 10 meter. So what will the width? Okay. So here question fifth answer. Answer. So here what is given? Area is given. Area is given 50 meter square and what is given? Length is given. Length is given what? 10 10 meter 10 meter and you will find out the breadth, right? So you will here what? Find out the breadth. Breadth is equal to क्या हो जाएगा आपका? Breadth is equal to area upon length. You will put up the value. What is the area? 50 and length is equal to 10. You will cut it. 10 से 10 कट जाएगा. क्या मिलेगा आपको? 5 meter. Breadth will be the 5 meter. It is clear? Next. This is the rectangle. Now area is given. Area is given 48 48 centimeter square. 48 centimeter square and breadth is given. Breadth is given 12. Breadth is given. Breadth is given 4 centimeter. So how will find out the length? Okay, you will find out the length. It is clear. So here question number seven answer. What is given? Area is given 48 centimeter square. Breadth is given what? 4 centimeter. So you will find out the length. Length is equal to क्या हो जाएगा? area upon breadth. What is the area? 48. Width is 4. कट कर दीजिए. 4 1 जा 4, right? 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. क्या होगा? 12 centimeter. It is clear. So by this process you can find out the length if area and width is given. You can find out width if area and length is given. It is clear. So today's homework. So I will do. Okay. Yes. Now all student will solve question 8. Find out the find out the area of a rectangle if length is equal to 12.5 meter and breadth is equal to 5 meter. Okay, find out the area of a rectangle if length is equal to 12.5 meter and breadth is equal to 5 meter. Okay, so okay, okay. Now I will see your answer in the comment. Okay, you will give the answer. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Best of luck. Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you, everybody. Next day again, I will meet to you.